Since establishment, WELONG has been providing one-stop services for supplier development, inspection, management, order process supervision, quality control, customs clearance, warehousing, and transportation in China for leading companies in the international industrial manufacturing, oil drilling and production, and high-end medical fields. We have been striving to become an industry leader and help China's intelligent manufacturing lead the world. Our products include BHA drilling tools, borehole enlargement, impact tools, wellhead, handling tools, other service tools. Certified by ISO 9001 to 2015 API 7-1. We are always working diligently to be the leader of international supply chain, boosting the China intelligent manufacturing leading the world. WELONG have updated quality control, 5-time NDT for all products, 3-time inspection, in-process inspection, final inspection, third-party inspection.